vegan gnocchi in zucchini sauce. Gnocchi is a round-shaped pasta traditionally made with potatoes. Today we're making it with sweet potatoes. We need 1 pound oven roasted sweet potatoes, 3 ounces semolina flour, 3 ounces unbleached all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half teaspoon salt, and extra flour for working the dough. Peel the potatoes, mash very well, add all the other ingredients, grate a little bit of nutmeg, mix all the ingredients very well, combine into a doughy mass, sprinkle some flour, some more flour on top, and mix it. Keep adding flour and mixing. When you have a dough that is not sticky, it's ready. Divide the dough into pieces. Wet the work surface, roll into a 1/2 inch log, cut into 1 inch pieces, roll against the back of a fork to make indentations. Alternatively, you can roll it on the work surface using the fork. Toss in flour so they don't stick, and it's ready. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 sprig sage, 1 shallot, 6 cloves of garlic, black pepper, salt, a small piece red bell pepper, 1 green zucchini squash. Chop the shallot. Cut the red pepper. Smash the garlic. Slice very fine. Chop. Pluck the leaves, slice very thinly. Trim the zucchini. Grate it. In a large saute pan, add cooking oil and extra virgin olive oil. Add the red pepper flakes, garlic. Turn on the fire on medium. Fry. Add the shallots. Add the red pepper. Saute it a little bit. Add sage. Fry a little bit. Add zucchini and stir to combine. After a minute, zucchini is going to be tender. Add salt. Add fresh ground black pepper. Stir very well. Turn the heat off and add about 2 tablespoons very good extra virgin olive oil. The sauce is ready. Start the water for the pasta. Add about a handful of salt and let it come to a boil. Dump the gnocchi into the water. Stir very gently. When all the gnocchi rises to the top, let it boil for 1 more minute and then it's ready. Transfer the gnocchi into our saucepan. Toss the gnocchi into the sauce. Then add just a little bit of the cooking water. Mix very well. And the gnocchi is ready. And there it is. Vegan gnocchi with zucchini sauce made from scratch. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.